If you want to make money online, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you 4 easy side hustles to make money online as a beginner, and the best part is that they require no investment. I will explain which is the side hustle, how you can make money with it, and how much you can earn from each one. The first side hustle is testing websites and apps. If you sign up for usertesting.com, you can earn money by testing websites and apps and providing feedback. Each test takes about 20 minutes, and you can earn up to $10 per test. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, user testing is an excellent option. The second side hustle is product reviews. ProductTube is a premium video survey app that rewards users for making short videos about everyday products. You can earn money by creating short videos at home, recording videos at the store, or exploring new product concepts provided by the app using augmented reality. Most projects will pay you around $15 to $50 for each video you complete. You can redeem an Amazon gift card once you've accumulated $5 in your account, but you can also sell it and transfer the money to your bank account. The third side hustle is participating in paid research studies. Prolific is a research platform that allows you to participate in paid studies related to a wide range of topics, including social sciences, psychology, and consumer behavior. You can earn up to $10 per hour for each study you participate in, and you can cash out to your PayPal account. The fourth side hustle is FreeCash, which is a website that can help you make money online. By signing up using the link in the comments, you can open a free case and win up to $250. On this website, you can earn money by answering surveys and completing offers. You can easily earn more than $30 per offer depending on which country you live in. You can withdraw your money to your PayPal account, cryptocurrency, or gift cards once you've earned $5. By combining these side hustles, you can easily make more than $100 per day. Subscribe to my channel for more content about making money online. See you next time.